Hello guys, this is my new video. Welcome to another vlog. This video is about car wash. It's a little tour for my English class with the teacher Tania Trujillo. So this is my little project. So here we are in the car wash El Charco. This car wash has 3 packets, A, B, and C. This packet is for how many you clean your car. So guys, here we are in the car wash in the line. In front of me it's the cashier. My left is the finish line of the car wash. Over there in front of the red car is the first step. Clean your car with wash. Only water. Only water is the first step. The second step is about in the tunnel. So now we're going to pay our car wash. So now we are in the first step. Wash the car with only water. Now we move the second step. Wash with shampoo car. Okay. My right side is a guy. He's going to clean my car. My left is the manager of the car wash. So in front of me is the service room. This room, you see, is the room of the tunnel. This tunnel. In this tunnel, we're going to wash the car. It's an electric tunnel. To my right, I can see a little room. That room you can see is the food room. It's like a little shop for eating some of meat, some of food. But it's only for employees. In front of its tunnel. So we are in a truck. Now that's why has 2 guys cleaning this car, because if this is not a truck, it's only 1 guy washing this. Stop. Just little reverse. That's it. Left, front, go. Okay. Right. Go for it. So guys, in this car wash exists a little shop. You can eat some food, you can buy food. It's lots of candies and drink water, drink lemonade. It's not a restaurant. So now we are going to walk for this place. Oh, It's a kids area here. Legos area. Little table, little seat. So guys, this car wash has too many tools for a lot of actions. One of these actions is remove the mud, remove the candies, remove the sugar. This place has a little tip outside. To my right is the bathrooms. To my right, gentlemen restrooms. My left, women restrooms. Here you can clean your hands. So some state of paper. The right side we have the Wi-Fi password. So guys, and teacher Tanya, thanks for watching. And so if you like the video, give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.